Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record your DJ set in very high quality for a very low price. You only need your phone and a cable. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how. Okay, so you go to App Store, then you search for DJM REC. Okay, that it is. You download it. It's for free, but then you have to pay for a subscription, which is about $10 to $15 a one-time payment. That's the application. You have here the settings. You can adjust in the settings, depend on your preference. Audio output, the time that is recording, auto detect, all the other information that you need. And then you bring a cable, a USB to Lightning, or it depends what iPhone you have, maybe USB-C. You plug it in the mixer, plug it in the iPhone, and it will give you a message, yes, connected with DJM. That's it. And then you go to the CJ. You can see here there's signal. You press play. The moment you increase the volume, it auto detects that there is audio. You press recording and it is recording. After you finish, you stop recording, and here it is. You can check. High quality recording. You can do all the adjustments. You can increase the sound later on if you felt it was low. And you can increase the sub bass. Here you can see all the files that you have recorded before. Here you can adjust the settings, and you can stream from it. You can Twitch, you can go to YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Instagram, Snapchat, Mixcloud, Restream, and customization. You can do the custom. A very easy, very nice application. I recommend everyone to use it. Hope you enjoyed this video. One note before I end, you need to have your CD players all linked together for a better resolution and for better quality. It's a very nice application. I suggest everyone to use it and to download it. It's only one-time payment, $10 or $15. Please, if you like this video, consider subscribing and liking. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in a new video.